As a Vanagon owner, I've started to collect all manner of VW paraphernalia from Euro plates to signs. And there's a specific sign that I really want for my garage, but I just can't afford it, or I don't want to afford it. It's crazy expensive. So, like a proper engineer, I spent about 15-20 minutes in Easel, designed it myself, and took it out to the shop. I have some scrap leftover 1/8 inch dual color from some other project and decided it'd work just fine. It did, however, look like a clown had a party in the shop and on the table saw when I got through cutting. I used my handy dandy trusty screw painting jig stick to apply some of the finest rattle can available at Home Depot to the mounting screws, both primer and paint. And this was right after the application of the second finish coat. My VW Haupt Werkstatt sign went up, easy peasy. I'm really happy with the screws, painting them. They may have been a little bit wet, but you can't tell from even 3-4 feet away. So it's fine. There's just a little scratch on one or two of them that I may or may not touch up. I'm actually working on another sign, specifically a YouTube sign. I actually cut them the same day, but I'm not done with that video. And I'm working on my garage sign and then my logo sign as well. A little different material. So this material was scrap. It's something I had from another project that I hadn't really carved into like this. So some lessons learned. I think from now on I'll use at least 1/4 inch material on sign stuff. So on the next signs I'm doing for the garage, I'm probably going to do 1/4 inch. But I saved myself a ton of time and money. Okay, just maybe money, not time, taking care of the sign myself instead of buying it, and really happy with the results. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.